Hello everyone, in this tutorial we will see how to create an animation form in HTML. So right click on your desktop, go to new text document, name it animation form and press enter and open it. Then go to file, save as and save it as animation form. Choose all files .html and remove the space. So now write down the HTML tags. So start with HTML/HTML, then write the head, close the head, then write the title inside the head, which is admission form, then close the title, then create a body tag inside which you will create a form, close the body tag. Now inside the body tag create a form and close the form. Inside the form write down the codes. So first field in the admission form will be name. So create this name and then write down input type is equals to text box, because name will be a text box. So input type name is equals to name box. Let's name this name box. Then second field will be, wait, let's write your first name. Write your FN and last name. Same input type. Input type is equals to text box. Name is equals to LN or anything you want to write. Then let's make a field for address. So to make an address field, you need to type in text area and then write the properties of text area, which is rows and columns. So I'll give it 5 and 5 and then close it. So in address, you need to close the text area. Wherever you use the text area input type, you need to close that text area. So this was one. Now let's make a field for gender. So gender input type is equals to radio, then ID is equals to gender, name equals to male. Then write over here the name of the field that you want to write. So this dot will be for selection of male, and let's create a second dot for the selection of female. ID is equals to gender and name is equals to female. Write female over here. So this is how you create a field for gender. Let's write break after each and every field. So we see that in another line, break, break over here, then break after gender. Then let's create a field for age. So for age, you will be able to type in a text box. So let's create input type is equals to text box and name is equals to age. So this is where they will ask you the age, and let's create a text box for the branch you want to select for admission. So intended field of admission. Let's create a text box for this. Text box name equals to uh, if intended field. So let's end this with break and let's create a submit button at the end. So to create a submit button, you need to type in button type equals to submit value equals to submit. So this is how you create a submit button. Now let's save the file and let's see the output. So I saved it on my desktop. I'll open it from there. Admission form. Okay, so there is no submit button. Oh, so save it and refresh over here. You will need to type in submit over here also. Save and refresh. Okay, over the end. Save, refresh. So that's how you create submit button. We forgot a reset button. Similarly, create a reset button and save. So this is how you create a website in HTML by checking for errors one by one if you have any errors or if you don't see a particular field. So this is how you create a admission form using HTML.